Hey boys, today is June 4th and we are going to use our background knowledge about animals. E nós vamos usar o nosso conhecimento prévio sobre animais to do this activity, okay? So, I want you to go to page 51 on your book. And we are going to think about it. Look, I'm going to show you a picture. This dog is happy or sad? I think it's sad. We can see it on his face. And now let's change the picture. This one now. And this dog. We can see that it's really happy. So, these two pictures are just one example. Essas duas fotos são somente um exemplo. I want to know what is your opinion. Do you think animals have feelings or do you think animals don't have feelings? In my opinion, the animals have feelings. And you need to give your opinion on page 51. So, I think animals have feelings. For example, when the dogs wag their tail, it's because they are happy. They are excited. Eles estão empolgados. So this is my example. You need to say your opinion and give your example. And there is one more part. Tem mais uma parte. Animals probably help people because... Why do animals help people? Por que os animais ajudam as pessoas? Why they... because they mind, porque eles se importam, because they like to take care, porque eles gostam de cuidar. What is your opinion? You are going to write it to me on page 51, right? So, that's only one exercise, and tomorrow on Friday we are going to write about it. Amanhã nós vamos começar a escrever um textinho sobre esse assunto. So it's very important you do this part today to go on tomorrow. É muito importante que você faça essa parte hoje para continuar amanhã, ok? See you tomorrow. Bye bye.